What?
Yay. 3 cats watching a dot. Oh, Pickles getting an attitude. Do you want that dot on Pickles? Apparently he does not want to share.
Apparently.
I can't wait to make videos of them and the dot, and he is just getting grumpy.
Just because I was going closer to the cat.
He is really not wanting to share the dot.
Don't look at me. I can save you. Dude!
She might beat you up.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
White face. Men are stupid. Cats, and I'm not meaning all men, are just weird. I don't want to say stupid, but never mind, he is stupid.
I might do my pee there. Mommy, my pants. Do my pants.
finger hurts.
Do my pants there.
Yep.
And both kittens.
Yep, both the kittens.
White face, this dot is on.
I'm Dickle. Hi, Dickle. Hi. I'm a one.